Okay, we're going on a road trip, so I'm preparing snacks. Now, mind you, while I'm preparing snacks, I'm also eating snacks, which is not the best thing. But guacamole is something that I make all the time. Say hi, Bill.
Hi.
So, I wanted to show you guys how I make it. So, I already have my avocado chopped in here, and I'm chopping these tomatoes. I used 1 large avocado and 2 smaller Hass avocados, but I'm going to take some with me, and I think I'm going to leave some home, so I might put another one in there. It depends, but yeah, guacamole is so easy. It's super easy, and it's super easy to make.
How?
Because all you do is chop up all the vegetables and put it all together, and it's good, and I'm eating popcorn, and it's healthy. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I make it.
Mommy.
So I chopped the avocado and the tomatoes, and I'm about to chop some red onion, some cilantro. I don't put jalapenos in mine because of the kids, because it's spicy and they don't like it. I love spicy, but they don't like it, so.
I like spicy.
You do like spicy. Bill likes spicy, but the girls don't like it, so. I'll be back.
I got my hat. I got my magic hat. Now, like it. All the time. It's Halloween. Halloween hockey. Halloween hockey. Ooh, the big players. Hey, Halloween hockey. Halloween hockey. Halloween. My little water. It's not safe. It's safe. Halloween hockey. Halloween hockey. Now let me put it in there. Halloween hockey. I am the pumpkin. But somebody's gonna eat one of my hats. No, my hat friend. Sorry. Mommy, I see you making dinner.
You see me?
Yeah, because the camera is on. Are you making the? Mommy, are you making?
That's the most annoying thing ever.
Yeah. I'm not gonna eat my pumpkin. Bill, you want him? You want him? But he's just a Halloween dummy. And it's yours. Huh? I thought that was Stinky Bill. It's getting more good night. It's almost good night. I can't wait.
Oh, that means it's almost time to go.
Is she taking this? Like a hit holder?
I'm taking headphones.
Those are your headphones, Muffin.
Mommy, I'm taking my headphones too. Yay! Jambalaya! Because we're bringing the iPad, right?
Yeah.
Jambalaya! Oh.
Roll call.
One of your iPads is on 89. I just put the other one.
Okay, thank you.
Mommy, I really want the green spider.
What's the green spider?
Come see the pumpkin head! Right here!
I don't like this.
Come see the pumpkin!
No cooked jalapeno.